see here. Let me get my chart situated. I jumped on here and I saw a pretty awesome gold trade. So I just said, oh, let me jump on. But meanwhile, my chart wasn't set up. So I need my Maverick Multi-X, my bear bull, and my trender. All right, so why are we in this trade? Let's walk through it real quick. Let me stretch this out for you. So first off, all these lines are the Maverick gold levels. So they auto print on your chart every morning at 9:20 a.m. And we started to break the Maverick gold level right here. And these levels are like magnets from level to level. So we have a red background. We are below the Maverick guide. This blue line, sorry, I got a lot going on here. This blue line is your Maverick guide. When we're below the Maverick guide, you go short. Watch all my other videos. You go short when you're below the Maverick guide. Not just short, but that's how that is. And then we got pink candles right here. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. And look, this sucker has come down from 42.69 all the way to 42.57. So a $12 move. That is a huge move on gold, okay? Because gold, there's 10 ticks to $1. Okay? So we're below the Maverick guide. We have a red background. We have hot pink candles. Hot pink candles. Look at all these down confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3 down confidence arrows. The Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders voting across 6 time frames. Right now, they're all voting bearish for the most part, except for one little holdout on the 30-minute. But they're all very bearish. Our bear bull indicator, the bears are in control. Doesn't mean they'll be in control forever, but they are in control right now. And then the Maverick trender is pegged to the top. Go back and look at my video I put out, I think it was yesterday. Put out a video on the Maverick trender. We did a really fun exercise with the Maverick trender. You do not want to miss. I got so many emails over that video. It was really, really fun. And we have a downtrend label. Okay, we have a downtrend label. And I'm not looking to make the world right now because it is 8:20. No, wait, it's not 8:20. It's 7:20 p.m. 7:20 p.m. Oh, it's the first minute of the 5-minute candle. Look at this. First minute. Sorry, my take profit is in the way. But it is, we are within the first minute of the first 5-minute candle. And I got to give it room to breathe here. Got to give it room to breathe. So we are coming down to a, oh my goodness. I am coming down to a support area down here. So there's lots of support for gold down here. We've been on this downtrend. And really, if we were a little lower, I'd probably take a bounce down here. Because look at this whole, this is like your, kind of your, from here to kind of here, maybe a little bit more above that. That's your bouncy area right there. Gold is moving at a snail's pace tonight. And if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Maverick Multi-X is completely red from left to right, right here, right? Completely red. You're getting a little bit of a turn here, but that's okay. The bears are in control. They're coming down. Maverick trender pegged to the top. And we have a downtrend label. And these levels are like magnets. When it breaks and goes below one, really wants to get to the next level, okay? Right now, it's really wanting to get up to this level, but I'm protecting with my stop loss there. So now we're just gonna watch it. But really, if we do start to come down a little bit further, I'm gonna start to watch for a bounce right here, okay? Because look at all these candles that have bounced in this area. Bounce, 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 bounce. And we're getting into that area right here. All right, so we came pretty darn close to our stop loss here. Maverick trender is still pegged to the top here. We still got, it's up here. We got a downtrend label. The bears are still in control. 5 traders across 6 time frames are all voting bearish except for one holdout on the 30-minute. If you guys watch the videos, or if you have the indicator, you know on the Maverick Multi-X that Trader 2 is awful bullish a lot of the times. So this pink candle is pushing down. We just need a break of this previous candle. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Okay, we got so many down confidence arrows pushing us to the downside. So we just need to hit that take profit right there. We got a new candle with a down confidence arrow. Boom. All right, there we go. Couple $100, nice and easy on a gold trade. And now I'm going to watch for support here. We might take it on the way up as well. So if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want to see the data that's actually going on behind the scenes, so you can get, look at this beautiful move down. If you see pink, it will most likely sink even into a support area like this. Come check us out. Not financial advice, do your own research. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. All right, so we just took profit on this move down. We made a quick $200. And now we're getting a reversal. And I kind of showed you guys where that support area was. But if you look, let me show you why I'm jumping in here. We had a known support level here on this Maverick Gold level. We touched it. Well, we came within 1 tick of it. And then we started to get these confidence arrows to the upside. Look at this, confidence arrow, confidence arrow. You went from pink, your strongest downside candle. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, to red, your second strongest downside candle. And now we got gray. Gray is a reversal candle, folks. So we have up confidence arrows. We have gray reversal candle happening. 5 traders are all voting bullish on the 1 minute and almost all on the 3 minute. And look at from left to right, our Maverick Multi-X is starting to become green. I only took 3 micros, okay, because I don't want to give back any of the money that we already made. So I'm just risking a small amount here. I'm going to move my my stop loss to break even. Sorry, it's late in the day. Our bear bull, look at this. So 5 traders are voting bullish on the 1 minute, almost all bullish on the 3 minute, and they're starting to turn on the 5 minute. If you look here, your bear bull indicator right here, bear bull, is starting to turn green. It's starting to tell you, hey, the bulls are starting to be in charge here. The bulls are taking over. And then we lost our downward trend. There's no trend right now because the market's deciding what it wants to do. Look at this beautiful, it fulfilled from this level to this level. And if we can get a closure above this level, folks, we might end up to the upside. So I'm just going to watch it. I am on the house's money because I am at break even. And I'm only in 3 micros. I'm making $3 a tick. Okay, so it's like nothing. All right, so already up. What would we close that other trade out for, like almost $200 or something? It was a nice scalp to the downside. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. And now we're going from pink to red to gray. Gray is reversal. So I'm going to leave my screen up. Sorry, I'm squishing this on you guys. I'm going to leave my screen up. Trader 1 through Trader 5 are all voting bullish on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and we're coming around on the 5 minute. You got your first bullish candle. The Maverick Bear Bull looks at a bunch of complex formulas to figure out who's in charge, the bears or the bulls. And right here, the bears were all in charge. And now look at this beautiful bullish candle coming up saying, hey, the bulls are in charge in this candle. They're in control. And then hopefully our Maverick trender will pop up a green line and we'll take this sucker up. If not, we'll just close this sucker out for another $200. That'd be great. So wanted to show this because you can trade using our indicators at not just the open. It doesn't have to be the market open. You can take this thing, you can trade like at night if you have a day job. It all depends on your style. It all depends on your style. But again, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come to our website, MaverickIndicators.com, and come and read what our traders are saying. Look at their success. I am not the world's best trader, okay? I promise you that. But I let my indicators guide me through these trades. So right now, on the 1 minute, all 5 traders are voting bullish. On the 3 minute, all but 1 are voting bullish. On the 5 minute, 2 out of 5 are voting bullish. And we're starting to crack bullish from left to right. Remember, your 1 minute chart is always going to change first, then your 3 minute, then your 5 minute, and so on and so forth. All right, we're breaking this Maverick gold level right here with this is a reversal candle, folks. This is a gray reversal candle. Okay, gray reversal candle. Oh, keep pushing, baby. That's what I'm talking about. You have your second bullish candle. The bulls are officially in control. The bulls are officially in control. 5 traders are voting all bullish on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and almost the 5 minute. Look at this nice push up. We're only in 3 micros. We're only in 3 micros. So it's probably going to test this Maverick guide. So we'll see. We got a second confidence arrow coming up here. Sorry, a third confidence arrow. Third confidence arrow pushing up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my take profit to right above the Maverick guide. Now, why would I do that? Well, it's 7:45 at night, okay? And we've already done $200 on the previous trade. Could I leave this thing rocking and rolling all night and just leave a runner? Yeah, but I need to go spend time with my family, and I just don't want to leave I just don't want to watch my charts all night. So I'm going to set my take profit to right about here. We've already done about 200 on the previous trade. Let's see if we can get a nice push up on this reversal candle. We got 1, 2, 3 confidence arrows. Gray is a reversal candle. So it's telling you, if you've ever looked at a candle and you don't know what's going on behind the scenes, what's truly going on, we're up $195. What's going on behind the scenes? Does it have downward pressure? Is it a reversal? Let the Maverick AI Pro compute all that data on the back end and then just color your candle. See? Look, bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. Sorry, I have my charts all crazy here. Sorry if the lines are throwing you off, but these are the Maverick gold levels. They auto print again on your screen every morning at 9:20 a.m. And yeah, so we're bullish on the 1 minute, almost all the 3 minutes, some of the 5 minute. Bulls are still in control right here on the Maverick Bear Bull. And we did test this Maverick guide, so I might have gotten greedy here, folks, because the Maverick guide is our line in the sand. And we're only in 3 micros, so if this was 3 minis, okay, I'd be up $1,700. But we're only in 3 micros, so we're up $174. But 3 minis, this would be a $1,500 trade right here. But we're playing it safe and small. We've already taken $200 on that previous trade. And now we're looking to just, maybe we can double it. So let's see. Let's give the trade some time to play out. And we're at break even, so I can't lose money here. I can't lose money here. So I'm going to leave my chart up. I'm going to do a couple of things, and then we'll see where this one lands.